Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the 23andMe, Personal Genetics and Ancestry, app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. 23andMe is a personal genetics platform designed to help users understand their ancestry, DNA traits, and certain genetic health insights. The app works with the 23andMe DNA testing kit, allowing users to access detailed ethnicity breakdowns, explore genetic traits, and connect with DNA relatives. It's available on both iOS and Android and provides a clear, organized dashboard for viewing your reports and results. The app's main feature is its comprehensive DNA reporting, including ancestry composition, maternal and paternal haplogroups, and DNA relative matching. If you choose the Health Plus Ancestry version, the app also offers health-related genetic reports, carrier status information, wellness tendencies, and trait explanations. It presents complex genetic data in an easy-to-understand format, giving users access to scientifically backed insights. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its accuracy in ancestry estimates, the depth of the reports provided, and the ability to connect with genetic relatives worldwide. The interface is simple, interactive, and informative. Users also value the scientific transparency behind each report and the educational content that supports genetic concepts. However, there are some drawbacks. The full range of health reports is only available with higher-tier testing, which can be expensive. Some users are also concerned about data privacy, as DNA information is sensitive and requires strict consent and protection. Additionally, the app relies entirely on the submitted DNA sample, and results cannot be updated or corrected without purchasing a new kit. In summary, the 23andMe app may be worth using if you want a detailed, science-based understanding of your ancestry, genetic traits, and health predispositions. However, if you're uncomfortable sharing genetic data or do not want to pay for premium DNA services, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.